Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. When I first made these Fatwood sticks, I liked that they were kind of short, just 5 inches long, and I could store them in this Ziploc bag. But it's kind of hard to scrape because there's such a short stroke right here. Let's go ahead and use this pine knot and get a lot longer Fatwood stick, something that's easier for me to use, and then we'll figure out some way to get rid of all these shorties. Don't worry that I seem to be wasting Fatwood, because we have an overabundance of Fatwood out in these woods. So let's take off a little bit at a time and see where the Fatwood starts on the tail of this pine knot. Corona razor tooth saw, just $27 from Home Depot. We do not have Fatwood yet. It's starting to come through right there. So that's going to be a good 6.5 inches. Good. Let's just split it up into sticks now. And let's use some paracord and a jam knot to hold them together. You're just going to make 2 knots, half hitch. This knot right here. This will be the handle for when you want to loosen it up, and then you want to tie one more of these half hitches around the line itself. Then you have a loop. So you'll open it up, put your Fatwood sticks in there, tighten it down, which it'll cinch down tightly. And then when you want to open it back up, you can grab your handle here and pull this towards this knot. Pull this knot towards that knot to loosen it back up. So let's go ahead and use up the short stuff. Now, want to use one of our smallest sticks to get that started. This might be the smallest right here. Oh yeah, that's a lot easier to scrape with that extra length. Let's fire it up. You want to clean that residue off of there. T-chain ferro rod, more companion stainless. That is good to go. We'll stick this down in on the side. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Make sure the shot is like I want it. We'll catch you on the next one.